Hiya, I want to show you the bread lane by Bread Bosses. If you follow them on the Instagram, you know the profile. This is one of the new products. As you can see, it's really nicely made. Got a beautiful pattern on it. It sits really nice in hand. It's very comfortable. I've had similar lames from other companies, and this I'd say feels the best. It's not too long, it's not too thin, it's not too slippery, and it's quite a simple tool, but it can be very useful when scoring bread, especially when using razors, which are very sharp, so you don't want to hold them in your hand. I'm going to show you quickly how to attach it onto a lame. It's very simple. Obviously, be very careful because the razor blades are very sharp. You simply thread it through, and that's it. So that creates a perfect angle for scoring. So you don't need to think of how deep I show you. Just cut it across the loaf. I'll show you in the next videos, and it just gets nicely under the skin, creating a shallow cut, making a nice patterns, so-called ears, on the bread after baking. Obviously using a sharp razor, new one, it's the best way, and then you got all the four corners to use, so remembering which one you use now, then switching to the next one, then the next one, to all four use, because you only use one corner at a time. When you score, you can dip it in water or a little bit of oil to prevent it from sticking. If you slash in a high hydration dough, that makes it easier. Keep it clean and dry. Most of them are made of stainless steel, so they don't go rusty. And that's it. The videos will show you more, obviously, how to use them. You can find a little box to store them. I've got just a plastic box with my other razor blades, and it fits there perfectly. Some people use like the toothbrush head cover to keep that in case, just the top bit. But either way, it's good. So that's about it about this one. There's not much really more to say. You'll see more in the videos while I'm scoring with it, but it is a beautiful piece of the kit, and if you like your little gadgets and you're well into baking, this will definitely make you smile, and it will be a good gift for a friend. So I'll see you in the next videos.